Hello everybody, welcome back to Grassroots NASCAR Racing. Today we have a little project for you. So part of changing this shop into something big is making a space where I can sit and watch TV and relax a little bit. So I've got an extra space here behind me finally. I've got my TV up right over there. I just need a table and some chairs. Something simple right now, but for those of you who have seen, there's a coffee table at Ikea that you can buy that a NASCAR wheel fits right into, wheel and tire and everything. It looks perfect. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, or you get to watch me kind of put it together. I'm going to show you the model number, what it is. So if you want to pick one up, I'll try and put a link below so you can get that, or just go to the store and check it out. But let me show you what we got. All right, this is what I picked up from Ikea. And I thought all their stuff was like supposed to be from Sweden or whatever, but damn near everything in that store is made in China, of course. So that kind of sucks, but this is what it is. The Witzjo. And then this is the part number right here, 802.133.09. So if you take that into the store, they can tell you where that is and what it is and everything. But it's basically just a big piece of glass and a couple bars. So we'll throw that together. What I'm going to put into it is this. This is just one that was thrown together. I've got the three other ones sitting right over there, and they were on the Mellow Yellow car for a little while. This is an old Casey Kane tire on a number 78, probably a Kurt Busch rim actually, from back in the day. I stopped when I was at North Wilkesboro. I stopped in Charlotte at a Circle Track warehouse, picked up a hub, and just the other pieces that I need to put it together. The only thing I don't have are the screws to keep that on, but it'll sit on there and look good. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the hub in there, we're gonna make it look all complete, build that up, and get it going. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. I don't know if it works better with the older tires. That one, man, it's so close. It just doesn't want to drop in. I tried letting a little air out. Maybe if I let all the air out, it probably would. What I think I'm gonna do instead is take off this top ring, drop the tire in, and then put the top ring back on. So let's see how that goes. All right guys, that is it. You can see it right here behind me, all put together. This is my first time doing this, so learned a few little things that you got to do. So first of all, with these newer tires, if you're using like older tires, probably from the 90s or 80s or something, you probably can leave that top ring on and just drop it straight in. But these newer tires are a little bit bigger. So leave this top ring off. I guess you kind of got to put it all together first and then take this top ring off. Take it off because there are little screws. There's 4 screws on each post, and I think that was what was preventing the tire from getting in. Although I think the tire is just a little too big. But easiest, just leave that top ring off. Also, let all the air out of your tire. It's still not 100% sitting on the metal ring because it is resting on the tire all the way around. But over time, I think that's going to push down just a little bit and it will be sitting all the way on the ring. So those are the 2 tips that I can give you with putting this together. But other than that, man, it was pretty easy. I think it came out looking great. What do you think? So today I also did pick up a couple of chairs to put in here. I'm gonna get something nicer, something a little more comfortable, but I picked these up, and the place that I got them from, they do a lot of work with that restaurant, what's it called, Bombshells. So I was told that these came out of Bombshells. So these are what will go inside the shop around the table for right now. There you have it, just like that. So with that, we can grab us a nice cold Mountain Dew. Do a little Baja Blast today. There we go. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Anyway, hope this helps you out, guys. Take care.